Have you ever wondered about the possibility of creating infinite wealth? Well, that's the intriguing concept behind the infinite money paradox, or as some might know it, the St. Petersburg paradox. This paradox, a thought experiment in economics and decision theory, revolves around two conflicting ideas. Firstly, the mathematical calculation. Theoretically, if you played a game with an infinite expected value and infinite number of times, you would, on average, expect to win an infinite amount of money. And secondly, intuitive decision-making. Despite this infinite expected value, most people wouldn't be willing to pay a large sum to play the game. Why? Because the probability of winning an infinite amount of money is incredibly small. This paradox first emerged from the mind of Nicholas Bernoulli in 1738. Bernoulli suggested that people are not always rational decision makers. They also consider factors like the risk and uncertainty associated with a gamble, not just the expected value. There have been various suggested resolutions to this paradox. Some argue that people are risk-averse, preferring smaller, sure gains over larger, uncertain ones. Another theory is that people have a limited capacity to process information, leading them to underestimate the probability of winning an infinite amount of money. So, what does the infinite money paradox teach us? It's a stark reminder of the complexity and often irrational nature of human decision-making. It also challenges traditional economic theory, which typically assumes people are rational actors making decisions based solely on the expected value of their choices. Let's consider a real-world scenario similar to the infinite money paradox. Imagine a company considering investing in a new product. The expected return is sky high, but so is the risk of failure. The company must decide whether the potential reward outweighs the potential risk. In essence, the company faces the same dilemma as someone in the St. Petersburg paradox. The expected return might be infinite, but the likelihood of achieving that return is minuscule. The company must decide whether to take the gamble. Ultimately, the decision to gamble or not is subjective. There's no definitive right or wrong answer. However, the infinite money paradox does illuminate the complexity of human decision-making and the myriad factors we must consider when making choices under uncertainty.